Skin benefits of cucumber. Cucumber shave anti-inflammatory properties, plus they're loaded with antioxidants and nutrients like vitamin C and folic acid, making them an excellent ingredient for a DIY face mask. We'll take a closer look at how cucumbers can benefit your skin, and if you want to know how to make homemade cucumber face mask, we have some recipes to share with you. Stay with us till the end of the video. Here are the amazing skin benefits of cucumbers. Reduces eye wrinkles. Cucumber is a natural moisturizer and an unsung hero for newer anti-aging therapies or anti-wrinkling therapies. The skin around our eyes is the thinnest in our body. Placing cold cucumber slices on your eyes can hydrate your eyes and the skin around. This in turn can help reduce lines and wrinkles around eyes. Hydrated skin means smoother skin. You can actually call cucumber an eye moisturizer. Removing excess water. Cold cucumber slices on eyes helps remove excess water. This is a great way of drawing excess moisture out of the skin cells around eyes. This is believed to reduce swelling of the eyes. Under eye bags. Cucumber also helps toning down of under eye bags. Take a small inch of a cold cucumber and make a fine paste by grinding it. Now add either lavender oil or chamomile oil to it along with some honey. Blend it well and make it into a fine paste. Now apply this under your eyes using your fingers lightly. Leave this on for around 10 to 15 minutes and wipe using a damp cloth. This will help a lot in reducing the under eye bags. Reduces hair fall. Drink cucumber juice daily to control hair fall. The most important benefit of cucumber for hair can be attributed to its silicon, sulfur, sodium, phosphorus, and calcium content. These are among the nutrients most needed for hair growth. Gives shiny hair. Cucumber juice can also be used as a hair rinse to get silky and shiny hair. It conditions the hair owing to the presence of silica and makes it more beautiful. Rejuvenates skin. The most common use of cucumber is to improve and rejuvenate your skin. Controls puffiness of the eyes. If you are worried about eye puffiness, then cucumbers can provide you with instant relief. The ascorbic acid and caffeic acid in cucumber brings down the water retention rate, which, in turn, diminishes the swelling and puffiness around the eyes. Cucumber can easily reduce the puffiness in your eyes. Simply cut slices of cucumber, refrigerate it for a while, and place it on your closed eyelids every day. This will not only bring down the puffiness, but also help you relax. It actually hydrates your eyes and lessens puffiness. Revitalizes skin. The greatest and most important skin benefit of cucumber is that it helps in revitalizing the skin. What you need to do: puree the cucumber in a blender and then add the other ingredients to it. Then apply one layer of the mask on damp skin and leave it on for 5 minutes. Follow it up with the remaining mask another 1 or 2 times for a total of 15 to 20 minutes. Once dry, rinse it off with lukewarm water. Follow it up by splashing your face with cold water to close your skin pores. Facial masks containing cucumber juice are beneficial for skin tightening. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more videos.